Halloween, the time of the year when kids turn into candy-hunting monsters. It is a popular holiday in English-speaking countries like United States, Canada, Great Britain, and Australia. It is celebrated on the night of 31st of October. Today, we will be talking about English-speaking culture, and our friend ChatGPT will help us with that. Let's open ChatGPT app. Click this button and ask your question. Hey ChatGPT, I'm learning English, and this time of the year, people celebrate Halloween. I know that children dress up in costumes, sometimes as their favorite characters, and go from door to door to say trick or treat.
Halloween tradition, where children dress up in costumes and go door to door in their neighborhoods. When they say trick or treat, it means the person at the door can either give them a treat, usually candy, or the kids might play a playful trick on them. It's mostly just a way for kids to have fun and collect sweets from their neighbors. It's a fun tradition for Halloween.
Okay, what about pumpkin carving?
Pumpkin carving is another popular Halloween tradition. People hollow out pumpkins and then carve designs into the outer shell. These designs can be anything from simple faces to intricate patterns. Once carved, a candle or light is placed inside the pumpkin to illuminate the design, creating a jack-o'-lantern. It's a great way to get creative and decorate for Halloween.
Alright, you mentioned the word jack-o'-lantern. What does it mean?
A jack-o'-lantern is what you call a pumpkin that has been carved into a lantern. The term originally comes from an old Irish legend about a man named Stingy Jack, who was said to roam the earth with a lantern, hence the name. Now, it just refers to the carved pumpkins we see during Halloween, lit from within by a candle or light.
What about the word spooky? What does it mean?
Spooky is a word used to describe something that is scary, creepy, or eerie, often in a fun or playful way. It's commonly associated with themes related to Halloween, like ghosts, haunted houses, and dark, foggy nights. Think of it as a mix of mysterious and slightly frightening, but in a way that's more fun than truly terrifying.
What about haunted house?
A haunted house is a place that is believed to be inhabited by ghosts, spirits, or other supernatural beings. In popular culture, especially around Halloween, haunted houses are often set up as attractions where people can walk through and experience spooky, eerie settings with special effects, actors dressed as ghosts or monsters, and other frightful surprises. It's all in good fun, aiming to give visitors a playful scare.
And also, what about candy corn?
Candy corn is a type of small, triangular-shaped candy that's popular around Halloween. It's known for its distinctive colors, a broad yellow base, an orange center, and a white tip. The candy has a chewy texture and a sweet honey-like flavor. It's a classic treat that's either loved or not so loved by many, making it a bit of a Halloween icon.
And the last one in our list is a word witch.
A witch is a figure from folklore and mythology, often depicted as a woman with magical powers. Traditionally, witches are shown wearing long robes and a pointy hat, and they're often associated with casting spells, brewing potions, and riding broomsticks. While some stories portray witches as evil or sinister, modern interpretations can also show them as wise, powerful, and benevolent figures.
Now let's look at some fun facts about Halloween. It is the second largest holiday in North America after Christmas, with billions of dollars spent on costumes and decorations each year. So whether it is a Halloween or not, ChatGPT can help us to learn a language. I have several videos about that, you can check them out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, happy Halloween and see you soon.